I'm a digital artist based in Southern California. Step 1, get a photograph. Step 2, create a nice outline, kind of like what you'd see in a cartoon. Step 3, paint the color. This includes large details, spots, and patterns. Step 4, paint the lighting. Add all the glistening specular highlights. Make sure to have a nice, hot, beautiful, glistening eyeball. Use the lighting to define the shape of the animal. Add a simple and elegant background. Add a bloom effect. If you like what you see, make sure to follow and subscribe to the latest content.